Alright guys, first lesson. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to get these problems copied so you have enough space in between to get some work done. Don't do them yet. Okay, let's take a look at the first problem. So we have an uncommon denominator of 4 and 2. So the rule was, think of the 2, count by 2, think of the 4. So what number can 2 and 4 go into? So 2, can 4 go into 2? No. 4. Can 4 go into 4? Yeah. So if we put our fraction bar here, do you guys remember this? So 4 times what gives us 4? Times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times what gives you 4? 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So what's my answer? 5/4. Try this problem on your own now. Okay, so let's try. What number can 3 and 6 go into? Count by 3, think of 6. 3, 6. Ooh, 6 can go into 6, right? So that must be our common denominator. All right, easy enough. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times what gives you 6? Times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 7/6. Try this one on your own. And remember, you can always pause the video if it's taking you a little bit longer to get these things done. Okay, so let's count by 3, think of the 6. 3, 6. Oh, 6 can go into 6. So that must be our common denominator. 3 times what gives us 6? Times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 6 times 1 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. So the answer is also 7/6. All right, try this one. Okay. Count by 5, think of the 10. 5, 10. Oh, 10. That must be the common denominator. 10 times 10 times 1. 7 times what gives you 7? 7 times 1 gives you 7. 5 times what gives you 10? Times it by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is 15/10. Now, here are the directions. If you are done and you're confident in your abilities, do these two attachments on the Google Classroom and then complete the quiz. At this point, you can turn off the video unless you would like me to do 2 more for you. Okay, here we go. Copy these 2 problems down. Okay. Count by the smallest, think of the biggest. 2, 4. So that should be a 4. 4 times what gives you 4? times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times what gives you 4? Times it by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So your answer is 5/4. And this one. All right, count by the smallest, think of the biggest. 2. 4. Can 8 go into 4? No. 6. Can 8 go into 6? No. 8. Can 8 go into 8? Absolutely. 8 times what gives you 8? 6 times 1 is 6. All right. 2 times what gives you 8? 2 times 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So what's my answer? 10/8. Okay? Get your work done. Make sure you hit submit. And if you have any questions, send me an email. See you tomorrow.